What? Cleansing like this? What? Cleansing like this? What? Cleansing like this? What else can be cleansed? Air can be cleansed.
Cleansing the air? It works! There are two ways of antibacterial functions from ziaino air treatment unit. Both are very effective in sterilization, inhibiting bacteria and removing offensive odors. Ziaino air treatment unit brings you a brand new air purification experience. Let's take a closer look. Simply by taking out the salt tablet from the bottle inside the unit and putting it into the water tray, hypochlorous acid water solvent is then formed by electrolyzation of salt water through the electrode unit. This solvent can break down the cell membrane of viral bacteria and destroy them thoroughly. Air is taken into ziaino air treatment unit and then goes through the cylindrical sterilization filter, which is soaked with hypochlorous acid. Air is then cleansed as bacteria and viruses are killed and odors are removed. Simultaneously, the built-in propeller will release vaporized hypochlorous acid and spread them throughout the room. Vaporized hypochlorous acid is absolutely safe. Its pH is between neutral and slightly alkaline, and its concentration is always kept to the required safety standard. Ensuring that it is safe for pets, kids, and the elderly. You can truly feel protected. Ziaino Air Treatment Unit kills 99.99% of bacteria and viruses, including H1N1, EV71, and Escherichia coli, allowing you to enjoy better air quality in a safe and healthy environment. Apart from school, it can be used in many different locations.
Well, it's cleansed and really safe. Cleansing the air, it works. Ziaino Air Treatment Unit. Cleansing the air, it works.
Panasonic.